welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing slime. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, guys. Hold it out like this. Oh, we saw this on TV. A ticking. Oh my god. This is epic. So, guys, when we put this on YouTube, people are going to be seeing it like, oh my gosh, that's nice.
Come on.
So we got this big pretend. We can make pretend.
Alright, hold me out.
Toss out here. A trash. Wait, this is we got a trash can. It's like a trash can. Cool. So
You do experiment that on the floor. Look at that. The book.
See the book. So let me see what we first eat. The gooey pooey. And here's my dad.
Alright, so I'm going to help these guys out. The gooey pooey. Sounds gross. Pooey. So we have our mixing bowl.
We got some Q-tips.
Alright, yep, so we have Q-tips. That's right. What else we have?
Some milk.
Some milk.
Water, a glass of water. And some dishwash. The container.
And then the food coloring, right?
And the toilet.
And then, yep, and the toilet. Alright, so step number 1 is we have to measure the milk in the biohazard container. So let's get the biohazard container. It's the yellow one. Grab it. So I want you to pour the milk until you get to the 1-4 line. Alright, stop.
1.
That's good. So then we have to add 4 dots of different colors of food coloring to the milk.
So we got blue, purple, green, pink.
Pink. Alright, so you do a dot. Alright, that's 2. Okay. And then let's get the purple and the pink. So what it looks like right now. We added the 4 colors in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So each one of you guys get a Q-tip.
Pass it over.
Okay.
And then put the water in.
Hold on. Alright, so the next step is put the Q-tip in the water. Okay. Now the next step is, alright, that's enough. The next step is place the soapy water swab in the middle of the milk. Hold on, go ahead and do it.
Dip it?
Yep.
All the way in?
Not all the way in, but to a touch the milk. Right into a touch the milk. You see what happened? I just spreaded it out. Alright?
Yeah.
Well, this experiment was great. That's the part of experimenting. Sometimes things work, sometimes things don't. We'll catch you on the next video.
Peace.
See you later.
Peace.